Ready to level up your investing game, but feel like you're hitting a wall with basic trading apps? Wealthsimple has done an incredible job making investing easy, accessible, and commission-free. But let's be honest, for the serious or even intermediate self-directed investor, it often feels like the training wheels never come off. If you're looking to go deeper than just checking your portfolio balance, you're quickly going to realize what Wealthsimple is missing: advanced research tools. We're talking about real-time streaming quotes, in-depth fundamental data, sophisticated charting tools with custom indicators, and analyst reports. These are the resources that give you a serious edge and allow for true technical and fundamental analysis. So, if you've outgrown the simple interface and are ready for the next step, what are your best options for those advanced research alternatives? The first category is the all-in-one brokerage upgrade. These platforms are also commission-free or very low cost, but were built with the power user in mind. Think of Canadian platforms like Questrade or international brokers like Interactive Brokers. Questrade, for example, is a popular choice because they offer advanced trading platforms like Questrade Edge that include real-time market data, advanced charting, and dedicated research portals, often for free or at a low subscription cost. Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, takes it further, providing a professional-grade platform with a massive array of global market data and execution tools. It's complex, but powerful. Then we have the dedicated research platforms. These aren't trading platforms themselves, but third-party services that integrate with your brokerages. Names like Morningstar and Stockrover are fantastic here. Morningstar is the gold standard for fundamental analysis, offering in-depth reports, analyst ratings, and portfolio X-rays. Stockrover, on the other hand, excels at powerful screening, filtering thousands of stocks by dozens of criteria to help you pinpoint investment ideas. Using a platform like this alongside your brokerage can give you the deep dive information you need. Finally, for the technically minded, there are the advanced charting and technical analysis tools. If you're basing trades on price action, indicators, and chart patterns, you'll be looking at platforms like TradingView or Koifin. These offer beautiful, fully customizable charts with hundreds of technical indicators, allowing you to backtest strategies and spot trends that you simply can't on a basic mobile app. The bottom line is this: Wealthsimple is great for getting started, but as your strategy matures, your tools need to mature with it. Whether you switch to a more feature-rich brokerage or pair your current account with a dedicated third-party research platform, having access to real data and analysis is crucial for making informed, confident investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.